Are you looking for the best blender? Vitamix 5200. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are giving you an update on our Vitamix 5200. We've had this little beauty for 13 years. And I know it's expensive. Everyone's like, oh, Vitamixes are so expensive. You can get a lot cheaper versions of mixers and things like that, but none that will last the time that this has lasted us. We've used this thing every day, at least twice a day, because we make a lot of protein shakes and things like that, if not 3 times a day for 13 years. It's been that critical to what we do in our kitchen and how we use it. It comes with this, which is a taller, you can mix a lot more with it. You also can get a shorter version of it. You can get a short version of it if you want to push it under your countertop, or you're just making smaller protein shakes and that sort of thing. And then of course they have the, you can push things down into it. It makes the best margaritas as well. It does protein shakes. You can make soup in it. It isn't super fancy. You can get fancier Vitamixes. This one just has a dial to 10, high and variable speed, and on and off. Maybe that's what makes it last for 13 years. And it's still going. It's still strong. And frankly, it's worth the money. So how many other appliances do you have in your house that last 13 years? Certainly not your new refrigerators. Certainly not your new ovens. But the Vitamix has. And so there's multiple versions of this that you can get. We really like this one. It's really simple, straight to the point, and gets the job done. So that's it. If you're looking for a mixer, I know a lot of people, get Vitamix and they have, oh, I just got this and it works great and here's what it is. But this is one to tell you that 13 years later, it's a great decision. So if you're thinking it's a lot of money, it is. At the same time, it's also something that'll last the test of time, and for 13 years, it's really worth the value. So I'll put a link in the description below to this Vitamix. This is the 5200. There's other Vitamixes if you want to look at those. I don't know if the quality is as good as the 5200 because I don't have that one. But this one is definitely the quality that you're looking for in a mixer in your home. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Super thanks is always welcome. And if you're looking for a mixer, check out the Vitamix. It will do everything you need it to do and more. Thanks.